everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. It's 2020 IdolsSA season 16. 2020 guys was a very difficult year in the entertainment industry because of the pandemic, but thanks God we are here waiting for someone's dream to come true. It's nothing but the truth that as we are excited to meet our top 16, some hopefuls will be sent home. Guys, enough about the stories. Allow me to introduce the top 16 of season 16. Please watch the rest of the slides and comment below who is your favorite. I love you so much guys. Bye.